Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family, and I hope you just watched my sis Shambi. Isn't she fantastic? Alrighty, so today I'm back to the stools. This one's going to be for Mr. Wombat. So we're going to get some neons out because, you know, Wombat neons, it's just going to have to be. Alrighty, so we are going to get all these bright neons out. Put your sunglasses on, put your feet up, let's listen to some tunes and have some fun.
I saw your name light up my screen again. Thought I blocked the ghost, but here you stand. You say you've changed, like time can bend, but scars don't fade with second chance. You always talk in riddles, baby. Sweet poison in your kiss. I wore your love like armor, but you pulled me into this. Moonlight lies, dancing in the dark. You knew just how to break my heart. Pretty words, they shine and burn, but some bridges don't deserve a return. I'm done with moonlight lies. Your love's just a good disguise. Caught in your spell, like velvet chains. You love the game, I love the pain. I gave you pages, you set fire. Now I'm the song you can't rewind. You always talk in riddles, baby, like I won't read the truth. I stitch myself together. Now there's no room left for you. Moonlight lies, dancing in the dark. You knew just how to break my heart. Pretty words, they shine and burn, but some bridges don't deserve return. I'm done with moonlight lies. Your love's just a good disguise. You say you miss me, but you miss the way I bled. Now I'm colder, now I'm wiser. No more tears I haven't shed. Moonlight fades, I see it clear. Your shadow disappears. No more moonlight lies. This heart finally said goodbye. Moonlight lies.
You can dream in color, but I've been living gray. But ever since we have shared a cover, all my pictures saturate. And now I won't ever see the world the same again. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new. Ever since we have shared our color, all my pictures are glowing. But now I won't ever see the world the same again. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you.
Midnight, and I'm lying wide awake. Your eyes give me chills in every way. Feels right, but it's driving me insane. Whoa, 'cause I get shivers all down my spine, and I get fever inside my mind. Yeah, I've been trying to keep it all inside, but I can't breathe. When you're right here next to me, yeah, you make me wake. It's like you're taking all my air and my oxygen. You make me sick, but you're the best kind of medicine. I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Oh no, did I tell you way too much? One touch, and my cheeks they start to flush. Don't stop, 'cause I wanna ride the rush. Whoa, 'cause I get shivers all down my spine, and I get fever inside my mind. Yeah, I've been trying to keep it all inside, but I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Yeah, you make me wake. It's like you're taking all my air and my oxygen. You make me sick, but you're the best kind of medicine. I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Still want you for my own, but I know that it's all gone, all gone. Know that it's all gone, all gone. Yeah. in the thick of it. The ultraviolet heat inside of you is imminent, and in the heat of it, I'm loosening my grip. My baby's gone, but I still dream of what it could have been. I still want you for my own, but know that it's all going on. Know that it's all going on. Know that it's all going on.
I don't wanna fall back. Tell me that you know. I don't wanna lose us. Where do we go? I remember the nights we laughed. I keep holding on to that. So tell me, did you want me? 'Cause I want you to feel how I feel. How I feel. And did it matter?
Alrighty, well, I think that one's a winner. That may just make it onto Wombat's stool. I love around the outside the splats. I hope the flyover reel picked up all those because they're really cool. It's going to be a shame to scrape them. But that's okay. Lots of multicoloured cells there. So if you agree with me, put it in the chat. Should this one go on to Wombat's stool? And that is it for me this week, guys. So I hope you had fun. Always a pleasure to be here and have a chat with you when I can. So that is it for me. So as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys. Go get messy.
I don't wanna hold on if you're letting go. I don't wanna fake it. Tell me you know. Every time you touch me, it feels the same. If I'm dreaming, don't let me wake. So tell me, did you want me? 'Cause I want you to feel how I